won't you come a little closer? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over?
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. If you're new, hey, what's up? We do hair reviews, lifestyle stuff, and whatever else in between. And we also do lots of giveaways, wig giveaways over here on this channel. Today I wanted to talk about this unit that I have installed. Today's hair sponsor is Dorsanee. This is an Amazon store. This wig came directly from Amazon. If you guys get this, it's gonna look exactly the same, if not really close, because I did order this through my Amazon account. I wanted to talk about this wig. This is a 4x4 deep wave curly wig unit. I did bleach the knots on my unit and it did take pretty well to the bleach. Not super, it didn't lift like super crazy, but it definitely did lift. I also did just a simple installation with my hairspray. This is my new favorite hairspray. You guys are gonna see me raving about this. This is the Chi Iron Guard and it has a really strong hold. But also what I really like about this hairspray, it doesn't leave it shiny or a white cast. Even if you get the hairspray on your skin, it doesn't leave like any like real like sticky stuff. Like, it's just very, very minor if there is anything left on there, and it sticks really well. So we did install it with that spray, and today we mostly went for a wet look, but it is drying. I did want to like have it somewhat dry, so I did apply some heat to this unit, as you guys saw earlier in the footage. Now I think the density is really good. It's 150, and I don't think there's anything wrong with it, but like, as you guys can see, the 18 inches is looking kind of short on me, but that is because I'm really tall. So personally for me, I think I would want to just cut off this little extra piece, because as you guys can see already, it's just looking a little bit better. Like, what is this piece doing here? I'm not really sure. So yeah, this wig will look really cute, I think, with just a bit of work, like just a bit of cutting, and it's nothing major. I'm not even like really looking at it in the mirror, but just to remove that little fineness, and I think it looks even better now. So it's more like a bob, because I find like 18 inches a weird length. Like, it's in between. It's like, do you want to be long or do you want to be short? Like, let's figure it out. So personally for me, I'm happier with it removed, and now I'm just gonna comb through it. I'm gonna have to get the back later, but I'm gonna try to remove, what is this? There's a green string here. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best to get those longer pieces in the back. As you guys can see now, she's really, really full, and yeah, we're definitely here for it a lot more now. I'm loving it. So I think sometimes you just have to play around with your wigs. It's not always gonna come the way that you want to wear it, but for the most part, like, it can be fixed so simply, and look how good it looks now. So it looks really, really full. It was just kind of like, you know, weighing me down with that little bit of extra. Is it a little bit longer on this side? Now I'm kind of obsessing over it. Like, is it straight? Is it leveled? Tell me that doesn't look better. Yes, this is what we need to do. So with that being said, like, I really like the hair. The hair is pretty soft. It is more on the coarse side, but it's still really soft and really good quality for Amazon. I like to put Amazon wigs in a totally different category than, like, you know, other companies. So when I get an Amazon wig, I don't expect a whole lot. So when it is good quality, I'm like kind of shook, you know. I'm like, oh, okay. So this is one of those wigs where it's like, okay, it's not bad at all. Like, it really isn't. It's really soft. It feels good. It definitely is human hair, and I'm really feeling it now that we cut it. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this unit. Do you think it looked better before I cut it or after? I'm thinking after, and look how quick that was, how effortless that was. I would definitely recommend it. You guys should check them out. They are a new store on Amazon, but that doesn't mean anything because I ordered this wig. It came directly from the factory, and I'm impressed with it. I am mad at it. I like the lace color. It did blend in well with my skin tone. I would say it was more on like the HD side. I did put some foundation because I just wanted it to be pretty much the same color as my foundation here. So I just went ahead and put some powder there and then put some hairspray on top to seal it in. But that's totally not necessary because you guys saw when I was installing the wig, it looked really good as is. Look at the curls, so beautiful. And I'm gonna leave all the information to Dorsanee in the description box for you guys. I hope I'm not butchering that name and I have it pronounced correctly. But regardless, you guys know what I mean. I'm gonna leave the information in the description box for you guys. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, or you just want to be kind. It doesn't cost anything. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Probably not today, but maybe tomorrow. Gotta go. Bye.